Flower plants that are planted once and bloom forever are prized for their long-lasting and recurring blossoms. These low-maintenance beauties enhance gardens with continuous color and charm throughout the seasons. Perfect for effortless gardening, they provide lasting visual appeal without the need for frequent replanting or extensive care year after year. Let's quickly explore these plants. Geranium pelargonium is a popular flowering plant known for its vibrant blooms and aromatic foliage. Native to South Africa, it thrives in sunny locations and well-drained soil. Geraniums are widely grown in gardens, containers, and hanging baskets due to their long blooming period and minimal care needs. The flowers come in various shades, including red, pink, white, and purple. Regular deadheading encourages continuous blooming. Though often grown as annuals in cooler climates, they are perennials in warm regions. With their colorful display and resilience, geraniums are ideal for brightening outdoor spaces and adding charm to window sills and balconies. Rose rosa is one of the most beloved and widely cultivated flowering plants in the world, admired for its beauty, fragrance, and symbolism. Belonging to the Rosaceae family, roses come in a vast range of colors, shapes, and sizes, from compact bushes to climbing varieties. They thrive in well-drained soil and require full sunlight for optimal blooming. Roses are known for their layered petals and sweet scent, making them a favorite in gardens, bouquets, and perfumes. With proper care, including pruning and fertilizing, roses can bloom throughout the growing season, adding timeless elegance and romance to any landscape or arrangement. Hibiscus, Hibiscus rojacinensis, also known as Chinese hibiscus or shoeblack plant, is a tropical flowering plant prized for its large, showy blooms. Native to East Asia, it thrives in warm climates with full sunlight and well-drained soil. The flowers come in vibrant colors like red, pink, yellow, and orange, often with striking central stamens. Though each bloom lasts only a day or two, the plant produces flowers continuously throughout the growing season. Hibiscus is commonly grown in gardens, hedges, and containers, adding a lush, tropical feel. It also holds cultural and medicinal significance in many parts of the world. Petunia, Petunia hybrida, is a popular ornamental flowering plant known for its vibrant, trumpet-shaped blooms and long flowering season. Native to South America, petunias thrive in full sun and well-drained soil. They are available in a wide array of colors, including purple, pink, white, red, and bicolored varieties. Petunias are commonly used in garden beds, hanging baskets, and containers, where they create a striking display. They require regular watering and occasional deadheading to encourage continuous blooming. With their bright colors and easy maintenance, petunias are a favorite choice for adding cheerful, long-lasting beauty to outdoor and balcony gardens. Vinca, Catharanthus roseus, commonly known as periwinkle or Madagascar periwinkle, is a hardy flowering plant admired for its glossy green leaves and vibrant, star-shaped blooms. Native to Madagascar, it thrives in hot, sunny climates and well-drained soil, making it ideal for low-maintenance gardens. Vinca blooms profusely in shades of pink, white, red, and purple, often lasting from spring through fall. It is drought-tolerant and resistant to pests and diseases, making it perfect for ground cover, borders, and containers. In addition to its ornamental value, vinca also has medicinal properties and is used in traditional medicine and pharmaceutical research. Marigold, Tagetes erecta, commonly known as African marigold, is a bright and cheerful flowering plant native to Mexico. It is well known for its large, round blooms in shades of yellow, orange, and gold. Marigolds thrive in full sun and well-drained soil, making them ideal for garden beds, borders, and containers. They bloom continuously from spring to fall with minimal care. In addition to their ornamental appeal, marigolds are also valued for their natural pest-repelling properties. Widely used in religious and cultural ceremonies, especially in India and Latin America, marigolds symbolize warmth, positivity, and devotion. Impatiens walleriana is a popular shade-loving flowering plant known for its bright, delicate blooms and lush green foliage. Native to East Africa, it thrives in moist, well-drained soil and performs best in partial to full shade. The flowers come in a wide range of colors, including red, pink, white, purple, and orange. Impatiens are ideal for borders, hanging baskets, and containers, offering continuous blooms from spring through fall. They require regular watering and benefit from occasional feeding to maintain their vibrant appearance. Loved for their low maintenance and colorful display, impatiens are perfect for brightening shady garden areas. Tickseed coreopsis is a cheerful, easy-to-grow flowering plant known for its bright, daisy-like blooms and long blooming season. Native to North and South America, it thrives in full sun and well-drained soil, making it ideal for borders, wildflower gardens, and containers. The flowers typically come in shades of yellow, gold, orange, and sometimes pink or red. Tickseed is drought-tolerant and attracts pollinators like bees and butterflies, adding life and color to gardens. With minimal care, it produces abundant blooms from early summer to fall. Its resilience and vibrant appearance make it a favorite among gardeners seeking lasting color. Moss rose, Portulaca grandiflora, is a low-growing, sun-loving flowering plant known for its vibrant, rose-like blooms and succulent foliage. Native to South America, it thrives in hot, dry conditions and well-drained soil, making it perfect for rock gardens, borders, and containers. The flowers come in bright shades of pink, red, yellow, orange, and white, opening in sunlight and closing at night or on cloudy days. Moss rose blooms profusely from summer to fall with minimal care. Its drought tolerance and ability to flourish in poor soil make it a favorite for low-maintenance gardens and sunny spots needing a splash of color. Blanket flower, Gaillardia, is a hardy, drought-tolerant perennial known for its vibrant, daisy-like blooms in shades of red, orange, and yellow. Native to North and South America, it thrives in full sun and well-drained soil, blooming profusely from early summer through fall. The plant gets its name from the flower's pattern, which resembles traditional Native American blankets. Blanket flowers attract pollinators like bees and butterflies and are ideal for borders, rock gardens, and wildflower meadows. With minimal maintenance and excellent heat tolerance, Gaillardia adds long-lasting, cheerful color to any garden setting. Chrysanthemum, Chrysanthemum morifolium, often called mums, is a popular flowering plant known for its rich variety of colors, shapes, and sizes. Native to Asia and northeastern Europe, it thrives in full sun and well-drained soil. Chrysanthemums bloom primarily in late summer and fall, making them ideal for extending garden color into cooler months. Their flowers range from simple daisy-like forms to full, pom-pom shapes in hues like yellow, white, red, purple, and bronze. Besides their ornamental value, chrysanthemums hold cultural significance in many countries and are used in teas and traditional medicine. They symbolize joy, longevity, and celebration. Scarlet sage, Salvia splendens, is a striking flowering plant known for its bright red, tubular blooms and vibrant green foliage. Native to Brazil, it thrives in full sun to partial shade and well-drained soil. Commonly grown as an annual in cooler climates, it blooms continuously from spring through fall, attracting hummingbirds, bees, and butterflies. Scarlet sage is ideal for flower beds, borders, and containers, adding a bold splash of color to any garden. Its upright growth habit and vivid flowers make it a favorite for ornamental displays. Low maintenance and heat tolerant, it is perfect for creating long-lasting seasonal color. Bougainvillea, Bougainvillea glabra, is a vigorous, tropical climbing plant known for its stunning, papery bracts that surround small, white, inconspicuous flowers. Native to South America, it thrives in hot, sunny climates and well-drained soil. Bougainvillea blooms profusely in vibrant shades of pink, purple, red, orange, and white, often throughout the year in warm regions. It is ideal for covering fences, trellises, walls, or hanging baskets, adding dramatic color to landscapes. Drought-tolerant and low maintenance, it requires minimal watering once established. Bougainvillea is widely appreciated for its bold beauty, making it a favorite in tropical and subtropical gardens. Verbena, Verbena hybrida, is a colorful, low-growing flowering plant known for its clusters of small, vibrant blooms and extended flowering period. Native to the Americas, it thrives in full sun and well-drained soil, making it ideal for borders, ground cover, hanging baskets, and containers. Verbena produces flowers in a wide range of colors, including purple, pink, red, white, and blue, from spring through fall. It is heat and drought tolerant, attracting butterflies and other pollinators. With minimal maintenance and a long blooming season, Verbena hybrida is a favorite among gardeners looking for continuous color and resilience in sunny garden spaces. Zinnia, Zinnia elegans, is a bright, cheerful annual flowering plant known for its bold, daisy-like blooms and wide range of colors. Native to Mexico, it thrives in full sun and well-drained soil, blooming abundantly from late spring until the first frost. Zinnias come in various forms, single, double, and semi-double, with vibrant shades of red, pink, orange, yellow, white, and purple. They are easy to grow, drought-tolerant, and attract butterflies and pollinators. Ideal for garden beds, borders, and cutting gardens, zinnias offer long-lasting color and are perfect for adding a vibrant, low-maintenance touch to any sunny landscape. Tropaeolum, Nasturtium, is a vibrant, easy-to-grow flowering plant valued for its cheerful blooms and edible leaves and flowers. Native to South and Central America, it thrives in full sun and well-drained soil, making it ideal for garden beds, borders, and hanging baskets. Nasturtiums produce bright flowers in shades of orange, red, and yellow, blooming from spring through fall. Their round, shield-like leaves add ornamental interest, while the entire plant is edible with a peppery flavor, often used in salads. Low maintenance and pest repelling, nasturtiums are perfect for both ornamental and functional garden spaces. Lantana, Lantana camara, is a hardy, sun-loving flowering plant known for its clusters of small, brightly colored blooms that change shades as they mature. Native to the tropical Americas, it thrives in hot, dry conditions and well-drained soil, blooming profusely from spring through fall. The flowers come in combinations of yellow, orange, red, pink, and purple, attracting butterflies, bees, and hummingbirds. Lantana is often used in borders, containers, ground covers, and hedges. It is drought-tolerant, low maintenance, and resistant to pests and diseases. With its vibrant color and resilience, lantana adds lasting beauty to gardens and landscapes with minimal care. Ixora, Ixora coccinea, commonly known as jungle geranium or flame of the woods, is a tropical flowering shrub prized for its dense clusters of small, tubular flowers and glossy evergreen foliage. Native to southern Asia, it thrives in warm, humid climates with full sun to partial shade and well-drained, acidic soil. Ixora blooms year-round in vibrant shades of red, orange, pink, and yellow, making it a favorite for hedges, borders, and ornamental landscaping. It attracts butterflies and bees and requires minimal maintenance once established. With its lush appearance and continuous flowering, Ixora adds rich color and texture to tropical gardens. Sky flower, Plumbago auriculata, also known as Cape leadwort, is a fast-growing, evergreen flowering plant admired for its clusters of soft, sky blue or white blooms. Native to South Africa, it thrives in warm climates with full sun and well-drained soil. Blooming from spring through fall, it can be grown as a sprawling shrub, ground cover, or trained as a climber on trellises and fences. Its delicate flowers attract butterflies, making it a great choice for pollinator gardens. Plumbago is drought-tolerant once established and low maintenance, offering long-lasting color and a soft, airy appearance to landscapes and garden borders.